Hi guys! So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I made seafoam effect that's currently on my nails. Just to speed things up a bit, I already did ombre using Halo gel polish in shades Barley and Nude, and with it I used my Born Pretty ombre brush that I really like. I only did one coat because I'm going to put glitter over it, so I don't have to be too precise with the blend. For glitter, I used Light Elegance glitter gel in shades Smoothie and Snow Cone, but you can use any loose glitter or glitter gels that you have in similar shades of blue and champagne, just to get that sea and sand glitter effect. These glitters are very concentrated, so I'm putting just a light layer to make them sheer and blending them on the same spot as the first layer to get ombre effect again. When I'm happy with my blend, I'll pop it into the lamp. And while it's curing, I'm going to take French white and regular top coat with sticky layer, both from Halo gel polish, and I'll mix equal amounts of them on my mixing plate to get a sheer milky gel polish. And on the side, I will also put a dab of thick top coat that I also need for this design. So first, I'm applying the milky mixture in a light even layer, but leaving out the tip of the nail. I'm stopping a bit under the initial blend that I did, so the seafoam edge that I'm creating is over the sand part of the nail, so to speak. I like to make that edge a bit thicker just to accentuate it. And when I'm happy with my application, I'm going to take a dotting tool, and with it I'm going to pick up thick top coat and place random dots onto uncured milky layer. In this step you have to work fast because the applied dots of top coat quickly spread, and if you leave them for too long they will become blurry. That's the reason why I'm using thick top coat. It gives me a bit more time to work than the regular top coat, which has thinner consistency, but also can be used, but you'll have less time to work with it. When I'm finished applying dots, I cure it, and then I like to make one more step, which is completely optional. I take a precise detailing brush and go over that seafoam edge one more time, just so it pops a bit more. So I blend it towards cuticle area and cure it one more time. In this step you can also add all sorts of embellishments if you want. Rhinestones, pearls, starfish, shells. They will also look gorgeous in this design. And to finish everything, I use no wipe top coat from Halo gel polish and cure it one last time. As I mentioned before, when I posted a picture of my nails, I used booster gel to make dots. That is gel especially made for this type of designs, but the consistency is very similar to thick top coat, so if you don't have it, you can definitely use this top coat as I showed you just now. This is the finished design. I hope you liked it. Thank you!